I'm going to show you exactly how to master the Elements section in Canva so you can design faster, smarter, and more professionally even if you are a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll understand what elements are, how to use them properly, and which features most beginners completely miss. Let's start by setting up your design. Go to canva.com and log into your account. On the left-hand panel, click on Create and choose any canvas size you want. It can be a presentation, Instagram post, or even a custom size. Once your blank canvas opens, look at the left side panel. This is where all your editing tools are located. Now click on Elements. So here's the big question. What are elements in Canva? Elements are basically anything you add to your design. This includes shapes, graphics, photos, videos, audio, icons, stickers, animations, and even code. If it goes on your canvas and is not plain text, it most likely came from the Elements tab. Understanding this is important because elements are the foundation of every design you create. When you open the Elements section, the first thing you'll see is your recently used elements. This makes it easy to reuse items without searching again. If you scroll down, you'll start seeing different categories that organize everything for you. These categories make Canva much easier to navigate, especially as a beginner. Let's start with shapes. Click on Shapes and add a rectangle to your canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners. You can also recolor it using the color picker at the top toolbar. And here's something powerful. You are not limited to solid colors. You can create gradients by selecting gradient styles or blending multiple colors depending on the shape. Now here's something many beginners don't know. Double-click inside a shape and you can start typing. The shape automatically becomes a text container. If it doesn't look right at first, don't worry. You have full control over the font style, size, alignment, spacing, and color from the top toolbar. This allows you to create badges, labels, or callout boxes very easily. Next, let's move to graphics, which is one of the most powerful categories. Click on Graphics, then right here at the top, you'll see your recently used graphics again. Right next to that, you may see Magic Recommendations. These are suggested elements powered by Canva's AI system based on your recent searches and design behavior. The more you use Canva, the smarter these recommendations become. Scroll further and you'll see featured elements. These are commonly used graphics that work well for many types of designs. Then you'll find gradients. These are extremely useful for creating soft fades on images, glow effects, or smooth background transitions. Simply drag a gradient over an image to create a professional look instantly. As you scroll further, you'll also find icons, social media graphics, and collections. Collections are sets of elements that share the same art style. This is important because using elements from the same collection keeps your design visually consistent and professional. Now here is an important tip. Use the search bar at the top of the Elements panel. Instead of scrolling endlessly, type specific keywords like minimal arrow, travel icon, or gradient circle. You can also filter by graphics, photos, videos, or even by color. This saves you time and helps you find exactly what you need faster. To apply any element, simply click on it or drag it onto your canvas. Resize it, rotate it, change its color if allowed, and layer it properly using position in the top toolbar. Mastering layering alone can instantly make your designs look more advanced. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, If you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now understand how the Elements section works and how to use it properly as a beginner. Once you master Elements, designing in Canva becomes 10 times easier because everything you create is built from these building blocks. If you want to learn the next beginner Canva feature that will instantly improve your workflow, check out the next video and let's continue learning Canva fast. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.